Hello everyone, welcome to my first tropical update. The tropics are really hot with tropical activity at this moment. We have Tropical Storm Helen just off the coast of Africa with wind speeds of 60 miles an hour and wind gusts of 70 miles an hour. The storm is moving west at 13 miles an hour and it's expected to become up to a Category 2. At this point, we don't know the full track yet. Now this is Tropical Storm Isaac. And doesn't look like it's going to be much of a threat. It's going to be a Category 1 when it hits Guadalupe and Barbados. It's not going to be that much of a threat. Here's the one that we're really watching now. Tropical Storm Florence. Now, Florence may be a dangerous storm when it hits the mainland United States. It's registered to be a Category 4 by the time it comes around. But that's not all I have to report on. We are now moving to the Pacific. If this app wants to cooperate. And over here, we have Tropical Depression 18, which it looks like it's planned to develop into a tropical storm. Nothing further than a tropical storm at this very moment. We only have a Category 1 hurricane. Hurricane Olivia. And we don't really see much happening with Olivia, except it's going to cross over Hawaii as a tropical storm. And then we have Tropical Storm Norman over here. Looks very disorganized from over here. Now this next storm is one that's being watched really, really close. If the information will load up. Anyways, this is Typhoon Mangkhut. It's supposed to be a very dangerous storm once it passes over Guam. The storm information is just not wanting to show up right now. Toggling storm tracks doesn't seem to want to work. Well, you get the point. Mangkhut's going to pass over Guam when it gets to that point. You'd see it becoming more developed as it nears the mainland of Guam. Mangkhut's supposed to be a very dangerous typhoon by the time it gets to Guam. It's only supposed to intensify once it passes over. These storms over here in the Pacific don't really look like all that much. Except for Olivia over here. We're definitely keeping an eye on these three storms over here, such as Florence. There's the storm tracks. I can go back to Mangkhut. Show you the information on that system. As you can see, Mangkhut's supposed to become a super typhoon. And that's bad news. The wind speeds are supposed to be at like 155 miles an hour, which is the strength of a Category 5 by the time it reaches full intensity after it passes Guam. So, yeah, definitely a lot to watch for. And this is my first tropical update on the channel. And I'll come back later on for another update. Bye-bye.